How to send silent messages on Messenger. Welcome back everyone to a new video of 1 2 Step. If you're also trying to send in silent messages to the other person on Messenger, let me quickly show you how it's done. Whenever you send a silent message on Messenger, the other person won't get a notification of the message and they will only see the message whenever they open up the Messenger app. So to send in these silent messages, just open up the message and firstly type in this slash and these options will appear, and the first option that you see is silent. Just tap on the silent option and now you can type in anything and this message will be sent as a silent message. You can hit send, and even if you send the message and even if the notification is turned on for the other person, they won't get a notification that you send a message. But however, you will need to keep repeating the same process if you want to send in multiple silent messages. So that's how exactly you can send in silent message on your Messenger app. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.